This is Sally. Hi, Sally. She's just 1 year old, so still puppy. Very soft. Hi. Hi, baby girl.
Come here. Hi. Oh, yeah. You're so sweet.
Her teeth are, she's like smiling.
Hi.
Hi.
Come here. Yeah, hi. Oh, you. Oh, hi. Hello. Here you go. That's a good girl. Yeah.
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah.
Good girl. Sally. Woo!
Hello again. Hello. Good girl. Oh, more trees.
Can we sit? Do we sit? Come here. Sit. Oh, oh, oh. How about down? There we go. Come here, Sally.
Hey, Sally. Baby girl. Hi.
Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Oh, yes. Oh, look at me. I'm beautiful.
She's a camera hog.
Can I have a... Oh, oh, yeah. Now you want the treat. Here's a good girl. You give kisses for treats. Do that all day long.
Yeah.
Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Ooh. Sally, sit. Sit. Good girl.
Well, church is just letting out, so there's starting to be a little more activity around here with people and cars.
Hi. Sally. Sit. Oh, that's a good girl. Sit. Down. No. Down. Oh, there. Oops. There it goes.
It's like they're hard to get out of your hand.
I know, they're so tiny. Here, baby. Oh, there you go. Good girl. That is a good girl. Oh, that's a good sit. Yes, it is. Oh, good girl.
Some quick learning.
Good girl. Sally. Good girl. Oops. That's a good baby. Good baby. Oh, a good baby. She is a good baby. You're so pretty. Yeah.